K-Beauty is all about that glass skin glow, but does a full 10-step routine actually work? I committed to this skincare challenge for a whole month, and the results might surprise you. Let's dive into the glow up. Have you ever dreamed of having skin that glows? Skin so healthy, it seems to radiate light from within? I have. For years, I searched for the perfect skincare routine, trying countless products and techniques. I tried serums, creams, masks, and more, but nothing seemed to give me that elusive glow. My bathroom shelves were filled with half-used bottles and jars, each promising miracles. Then, I discovered the world of Korean skincare. Intrigued by its promise of radiant, healthy skin, I decided to embark on a journey, a 10-step Korean skincare routine for an entire month. This routine was unlike anything I had tried before. It involved multiple steps, each with a specific purpose, from cleansing to moisturizing and everything in between. With dedication and consistency, I began to see changes. My skin felt softer, looked brighter, and yes, it started to glow. This was the beginning of my quest for radiant skin. The 10-step routine, inspired by the SoCo Glam Beginner's Kit, felt like a complete skincare ritual. Each step was designed to address different skin needs, making it a holistic approach to skincare. It included an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup and impurities, ensuring that the skin was free from any residue, followed by a water-based cleanser for a deeper clean. This step helped to remove any remaining dirt and sweat, leaving the skin feeling refreshed. Exfoliating came next, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter skin. This step was crucial for maintaining a smooth and radiant complexion. Then it was time for toner to balance the skin's pH, preparing it to absorb the subsequent products more effectively, followed by essence to boost hydration. This step added an extra layer of moisture, ensuring the skin stayed plump and dewy throughout the day. Sheet masks, a luxurious treat, provided intense hydration and targeted skincare benefits, making my skin feel rejuvenated. Next, I applied a nourishing eye cream to hydrate the delicate skin around my eyes, reducing puffiness. A lightweight lotion came next, providing a smooth base for further products, followed by a richer moisturizer to lock in all the goodness and keep my skin supple. Finally, at night, I applied a night cream for overnight repair and deep nourishment, or during the day, SPF for sun protection, ensuring my skin stays safe from harmful UV rays. At first, the 10-step routine felt overwhelming. So many steps, so many products. It was like navigating through a maze of serums, toners, and moisturizers. I remember feeling lost and unsure if I could keep up with such an elaborate regimen. However, as the days turned into weeks, the routine transformed into a cherished self-care ritual. Each step became a moment of mindfulness, a time to unwind and focus on myself. The once daunting process turned into a daily retreat that I eagerly anticipated. I look forward to my skincare time, indulging in the soothing scents and textures. The gentle massaging of creams and serums felt like a mini spa session at home. It was a sensory delight that calmed my mind and rejuvenated my spirit. My skin responded beautifully, becoming noticeably smoother, plumper, and more radiant. The transformation was gradual but undeniable. Friends and family began to notice the glow, and I felt more confident in my skin. While the 10-step routine requires commitment, the results speak for themselves. It's not just about the products, but the dedication and consistency that make a difference. Each step is a building block towards healthier skin. It's a journey towards healthier, happier skin, and I wholeheartedly recommend taking the plunge. Embrace the process, and you'll find it to be a rewarding experience that goes beyond just skincare. Your skin will thank you. The effort you put in will be reflected in the mirror, and you'll feel the benefits both inside and out. So, was it worth the hype? Would you try a 10-step routine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love skincare deep dives, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Glowenvy glow up. See you in the next one.